everyone, welcome to another interesting video that is going to be all about hairstyles, and we girls are really fond of it. We keep on searching for new hairstyles for going to school, for going to college, or for going anywhere, for attending a wedding, right? Let's see what different kinds of hairstyles are we going through today. And here goes a princess hairstyle with the help of a hairband, and here's the ribbon, and that too a lovely one. We are crisscrossing this and making a pleat out of this. That will make your hair look stand out in the crowd. Hair makers, by pressing your hair and rolling it, what are we going to do this? And how? Yeah, oh my god, this is a bun, and that too a beautiful round bun, and locking it with the help of this beautiful clip. And here partition, and with the help of a rubber band we are making something like this, and then interlocking the same, and then again making the rolls like this and securing it with the help of a clip. Now something next, we have a big in store for you. Let's see what are we going to make this. And this is a crisscross, and that too looking like a rainbow crisscross. Can you name this? Yeah, a kind of rainbow. And here's another hairstyle that will make you look OMG, this is something lovely, and that will definitely attract attention of the crowd. And what are we going through next? Here we are doing this, we are making some patterns like this and securing it with the help of a rubber band, and here we are again locking and securing it into a bun type, and the other two part, and this is this beautiful round bun. Now again we are having something with the help of this beautiful lovely ribbon, and this will make you look really charming. Again we have doing the partition from the other side and then securing it with the help of a rubber band and making it into a pleat, and this is something really different. Pink, whose favorite? You can definitely try it on your baby girl and she'll definitely love it. And this is how we did this. In this manner you can get the lovely hairstyle. Proceeding further, we have something more for you. Just see and guess what are we going to make it next, and making it literally amazing. The style of hair really grabs the attention in the crowd. It's not only just face or makeup, but the hair that add to your beauty and add to your charm. So these are some of the literally amazing and beautiful lovely hairstyle that you can definitely pick for your wedding, for going to school, or for any other occasion that you are in. From formal to informal, and all the kind of hairstyles we have done here, and you can choose from among them for each and every day. And these patterns that we are doing here, it's really wonderful. And the bun, that flowery bun we got into. And here in the last we are doing something beautiful. Yes, crisscrossing it from the top to the bottom